Hey guys, I got halfway into this before I realized this might be helpful to somebody. If you take a look at the old lid here, it's kind of worn out. It's kind of funky. I could probably glue it and make it a little bit better, but I got a new lid that I just took out of the center console from a local wrecking yard, and we're going to put this on instead. So I figured somebody might want to see how to do this. It's actually really easy. I've never done it before, but I just figured it out. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to pop off the back half. So honey, aim over here. And I'm just going to kind of put it back now. But basically all you want to do is, you can step back a little bit so you can see the whole thing. You're just going to pop this out. Just pull it back like that. And it's going to take a little bit of oomph, but you see these holes right here? These little plastic things slip into it. So you're just going to pull it out, and this back part will just pop off, and you can just lay it down. And then, I've already taken out some of the screws. You see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 8 screws. All these little screws. See, I already took some of them out. But there's still 1, 2 here. So we're going to take off now. This is spring loaded, so I recommend you leave 1 screw on the bottom, otherwise it's going to flop up before you do after you do the rest of them. You're going to get that screw out, and then this screw out, and it's going to start flopping up, you see. So there you go. So that's how this comes off. Slide that right out. Put it out of the way. And then all we do, obviously, is put the new one in back in reverse. Oops. Dent. Set it on top of something there. So you're going to put that back in here, just like that. And again, since it's spring loaded, it'd be a lot easier if you put 1 in the bottom. So we're going to put it down. Let's see how we get it in there. There we go. All right. In fact, I'll try and see if I can just put the one right in the middle first. That might be even easier to do. That's it. And then you're gonna, when you if you use an impact gun, by the way, don't over torque those. Don't go click, 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 because you'll strip it out. So if you want to, when you tighten it, get it in, and just like 1 or 2 clicks, and that's it. And then you'll have a nice new lid. All right, that's all for now.